Good morning, good morning, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers. Good morning, YouTube. We're back once again, Wednesday, March 18th.
Back
We're
in
going
the
to try
saddle
making some
again.
monies a day. We're going to try making some money a day. And hopefully, you guys are ready to follow your rules so you can get paid today. I can't follow them for you. You have to follow them for yourself. But if you do so, you should make money. We'll wait till about 225 ish for me to give you all the numbers for the charts.
Did you say 225? So I should come back here and what is that?
925, 925. If you come back at 225, I won't be here. What's up,
Well,
Smooth? What's up, Brett? Good morning, gentlemen.
are you trading at 2 o'clock news today?
I'm not trading FOMC today.
Oh, are you sure? Because that's the Duane that I know and I respect.
Yeah, I'm not trading because normally when I trade it, I sometimes win, but sometimes I lose. And yeah, I'm not trying to have that potential loss today.
Hey, man, you're always a victor.
Very true. Even though if I did trade it, it would only be evals, but I'm still not even trying to risk my mental currently. So let's see how the market moves for this morning session, and then we'll decide after that, I guess. Look at that 5-minute chart, right? So if you were trading the overnight session there, you would have seen two glorious bear flags just right there on that 5-minute that you guys can see right now. Let me too, baby. And it's like, man, they were clean ones too. They were clean. Mentality time. Yeah, let's get it done. What's up, trading copy, bro? Good morning. Let me actually check our audio just to make sure we're sounding decent today. Did everyone have a good night last night?
Yeah, I traded. I just put in some trades. It was fun.
Yeah, last night that market was moving so slow. I was like, ooh.
Doesn't matter if you say your strategy. Let the computer do the work.
That's true. You ain't lying. You ain't lying. All right, let's see. I'm sounding good. Good morning, Ule. Market makers, can you say something? I just want to confirm that your voices aren't echoing.
Hello, check 2. Welcome to the stream.
Perfect. We're good. We're sounding crispy.
Crispy.
We're sounding crispy. So let's get dialed. Let's get ready for this market open today.
FOMC, baby.
Yeah, FOMC's today. Smooth. A+ setups, bro. They pay. They definitely pay. I need to work on making sure I'm taking A+ setups on the funded accounts. In the evals, I may take some C+. You never know.
Next plus.
Man, look, the way we came down last night is slightly interesting. Because we had one, two, three, four. We had 4 solid bear flags through the overnight. That happened like this morning actually too. In pre-market. First flag printed at 808. 808. First flag printed this morning. And then we had a couple bring us on lower.
Bring it on down. Kick it.
So let's check this out. We're currently below the VWAP. VWAP is currently sitting at 25,054.
Yep.
25,054. 21 EMA for me is sitting right around 916.50, 916.50. Can't give you the exact because it's like hidden behind the candle right now. So, but right around 916.50. We have a pivot point directly above us at 24,957.75. 24,957.75. And we got the glorious close from yesterday sitting up there at 25,027.50. 25,027.50. What's Betsy today? Betsy's when I'm in a trade. She only shows up when I'm in a trade.
One of these days you gotta tell them the story. Anyway, but the EMA is like still in another neighborhood on Ninja. It's showing at 9:31 on the 2-minute.
That's weird.
Right now.
Let me actually check this pivot point that we have on Ninja as well. That's 24,957. I'm pretty sure that's pretty spot on. Yeah, 24,957. So the pivot points are the same on Ninja today. So that's at least somewhat positive. Let me get this chart trader pulled up. Good morning, sir. Hopefully you're having a solid Wednesday. Staying warm wherever you're at, bro. We may possibly get... Oh, this is the 1 minute. Let me jump to the 2. There we go. That's what I want to see. Yeah, I'm not biased or anything today, but I would like to potentially see a push up, maybe to the pivot or to the close from yesterday. See us reject and then continue down possibly. That may be wishful thinking, but we'll see. Last chance to buy Bitcoin. Well, technically, you can always buy Bitcoin. You just may not be able to get it at such a discounted rate. Hey, you would make something smooth. You would still make something. Hey, the whole thing is having your money work for you, right? So as long as it's making more than what you put in, you're good. You want your money to make little babies to give you more money. That's it. That's why I love trading. That's what we're doing. We put $100 in with the eval. We get funded. And then we use that same $100 to make a couple thousand. Little bit of money, giving you a lot of babies. That's the whole goal here. XRP goes to 1K, I'll be a billionaire. Hey, listen, if XRP goes to like $100, you winning, bro. Every time it dips, I buy more. So that way, once it starts hitting like decent numbers, then I could take out like a little bit from it and let the rest sit. That's how you have to do that. We got about a minute left before market open here. Say your prayers to the market makers. Tell them what you want the market to do, and let's see if it actually pans out for us. Hallelujah. Hallelujah today. Oh man, I turned off my AC last night. I know that's hard to believe. I never turned it off, but it was so cold where I'm like, I can shut this off and the temperature will still drop. And sure enough, it did.
Well, it was like 41 out or something, dude.
I know. I'm like, I keep my house at 67 normally, so it was perfect.
Your math ain't math in jive, turkey.
There's market open. There's market open. Ding, 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 ding.
Look at that.
Good morning, Niner. Your timing is impeccable, coming right at market open. So he went up there, touched that pivot point there. I would want to see us possibly push even higher to the close from yesterday. Good morning, Rob. Good morning, everybody. We're back at this beautiful thing we call trading once again.
So what is this called, Duane? I never quite got that name. Trading?
Yeah, trading. We're currently trading today, gentlemen.
They've been cheerio, old boy.
Good day, governors. Top of the morning to you. Oh, what am I doing? I gotta handle something real quick. I totally forgot. I have a secret trick. I gotta do real quick. All right, now we're ready to trade. Now we're gonna make some money. You know, you gotta like set the tone. You know what I'm saying? With how you look. Now we're ready.
What did you do?
I changed my shirt. I forgot to put one of my legacy shirts on.
Oh yeah, when are we getting one of our legacy shirts? The day one gold legacy shirts.
Gold legacy shirts?
He touched his nose on that one. That's his way of saying shut up, Steve.
That was not saying shit. I'm actually looking at having a meetup next month. I gotta look at the schedule, everything like that. Next month in Central Florida.
PFL in the house.
You know what I'm saying? I was looking at renting out some bays at Topgolf.
Yeah.
And we all connect there, eat, chill, vibe, everything like that.
That's cool.
And then I'll have my video guy out there with us shooting the vlog for the month, everything like that as well.
I have to bring my laptop at that point because I'll be setting up my trades.
Hey, that's fine though. That's fine. Whoever trades like overnight the Asian session, that's completely fine. Not used to having the kids home for spring break, so they keep going in and out to the garage. And they're not walking past my stairs because I can look down my stairs to see who's coming in. And they're walking the opposite direction.
Yeah, I just remember there was like a couple of good years where it was almost like somebody was learning to play the snare drum because the doors were opening and closing so much. It was just like ka-doom, ka-doom, doom, 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 da-doom. Like
yeah.
There was one place I lived and I actually put like a professional door closer on it because they kept going on the garage and it wouldn't close the garage all the way. So it was like one of those office door closers to make sure it closed.
Yeah.
It's like, golly.
Yeah, we're always yelling at them to stop slamming the doors because they be slamming like they're grown folks.
Oh yeah, it's
like in an argument.
Not only grown folks, but like, I don't want to see you anymore. Boom! Like the whole outside of the house is shaking.
Well, who's taking a trade so far? It's only been 4 minutes. Coming up on 5 here. Who's taking a trade already? Who's up? Who's down? Who's all around?
Dude, I'm not pressed. I mean, how many ticks have moved in this opening range? Like 7? Wow.
Yeah, it is pretty tight so far today, boys. It is pretty tight.
It's like, wait a second. Even if we got like 12 contracts, I made $14. All right.
Yeah, it doesn't get you excited. I'll say that.
No, this definitely this is definitely reminding me of like a faster twitch on the overnight a little bit. Like we're starting to move, but I'm not actively like massaging it then. So
yeah. Well, Smooth, hopefully it's not going to be like the overnight movement, because if it is, your boy's going to cry.
Oh, I did fine overnight movement. I just set it and forget it. But here's the deal. It's a different kind of trade.
100%. Today may be a no trade day for me if it's going to be moving like this.
Well, I mean, it's amazing. It's like, woo, but we'll see. The 2 o'clock was the only main news, right? There's no like, I knew that one, but I didn't know there was anything else presenting.
Yeah, it should just be 2 o'clock today. Okay. What news we got at 9:45? I only saw the 2 o'clock in my trading journal. BOC rate statement. Okay. Huh. All right, we're getting above this pivot point now. I can't honestly get too excited because the way this market is currently slow moving, it's trying to put us to sleep before it rips. If it decides to rip today, I know at 2 o'clock it should rip around a little bit. But I said last night on the Traders Hangout, if the market is moving slow for the morning, that's because everybody's waiting for the news at 2, so it will chop around. Starting to push here. We got that close from yesterday up there, 25,027.25. But this movement isn't something I can honestly get behind or stand behind, saying, yeah, this is the way to go. I can't do that to y'all today. Huh?
Don't you have a standing desk?
I do have a standing desk.
So then stand behind
it. I was actually thinking about switching up a little bit and standing for some of the sessions.
You'd be like a DJ. You could be like doing like busting a move to the market.
Probably won't be busting moves, but I thought about standing for some of the sessions. Good morning, Steven. Let's see if we're going to get like a little bull flag above this pivot. That slightly be promising. Keyword I said slightly. I'm turning into a madman. I'm not going to lie to you. I got to be full transparency here. Like, I've done it twice in the month so far. I've gone to a restaurant and eaten by myself. Does that make me crazy?
I to be honest with you, I haven't ate by myself in a restaurant in probably decades because of the kids and stuff. You know what I mean? It's like if I was traveling for work or something, but like to make a choice like around town. But we generally like you know how I cook, right? You've heard about it.
No, well, I've seen it. I've seen it.
So I mean it's like usually if I go to a restaurant, I'm very disappointed. You know what I mean? Unless it's like the right restaurant. So 99% of the time, I'll just cook it up myself. Get the music going, chilling. Dig it?
No, I dig it. I dig it. I dig it. No, so like one, I was in San Antonio solo dolo. So that one, I had no choice. I was out there to visit BP. You know what I'm saying? So that one, I had no choice.
Well, travel is that. You can't say, I mean, what are you supposed to do? Like find somebody, hey, you're eating with me. I'd never met you.
So that was that one. But yesterday, my girl could not decide what she wanted to eat. So I just told her, I'm like, listen, if you can't figure out what you want to eat, I know what I want to eat. But she didn't want what I wanted. So I'm like, cool. I'm going to drop you off back at the house after we went grocery shopping. And I'm going to the spot I like going to. And that's what I did. I'm like, I'm not sitting around. If you can't make the decision for yourself, like.
Every single one of us is in any kind of relationship. Like, with a woman, I can't speak to the other stuff, but it's like, you'll be like, I don't know what I want to eat. Well, how about we eat tacos? I don't want that. Do you want to eat Italian? No, I don't want that. Do you want to have like Chinese? I don't want that. Well, you said you don't know what you want, but I know what I don't want. So yeah, I mean, I get it.
I was like, no.
Yeah, I travel, so I go out to eat by myself the whole time I'm with, I'm just looking at my phone, searching up YouTube, probably even trading. Oh yeah, it's a good meditation.
Yeah, but I mean, I understand that. Like when I used to drive a truck, I would do that because it'd be like kind of inconvenient to always have somebody to sit with, but. It's like lately, man. I just like I guess I'm consummate family dude now.
Top of the morning to you, bro.
Duane,
welcome.
Duane is a madman.
Oh yeah, he's crazy.
He's out there eating by himself.
No, being real, that used to be one of the things that I hated to do. Right? I used to be like, oh, I gotta have someone eating with me, but not no more. I guess as you get you more mature. I was getting ready to say age. As you mature, you're like, you don't care no more. You're like, I'm hungry. I'm going to eat. And that's it. New to the trading stuff. Where should I start? One, you're already starting off on the right foot. You're on the morning stream. Good morning, first off. Second, I would recommend joining the Legacy Wealth Society completely for free. It's a private trading community for traders to learn and grow amongst fellow traders that are winning in the markets. The link's in the description. Come join us, bro. It will help you out. Travis, did you roll over, bro? Do you need to roll over? Yeah, there's a free side of the community. It's completely free. I got less than 2 minutes where I'm fully cleared to trade. Finally. I'm not mad about it because nothing's been happening to trade. Good morning, BP.
There he is in the house.
Yeah, Travis, you were real serious with the all caps this morning, bro. You good? Right back down to that 21 EMA right there. I would honestly, with that push down like we just did, I want us to get below the 21 and build a little bear flag.
So where is the 21 right now, if you don't mind me asking on your chart?
The 21 on my chart is sitting at pretty much 937.50.
Okay, so now I'm at 940, so it's kind of coming Man, that's interesting. They like corrected. That's good.
Hey, we'll take it. We will gladly take it.
Like I said, it always kind of gives me a little bit of pause, like when especially when the pivots are in a separate spot. It's kind of like which is right.
Yeah. My 42 email is the exact same as your 21, and my 21 is different than your 21. That's weird, Smooth. Can't tell you. I'm just speaking on mine. Right back up to that pivot point. Today may be a no trade day. I gotta see some type of momentum or something. Something. Now mine's an EMA. All right, still below this pivot barely.
Below the Camarillo pivot, like the second support right now.
Come on, Betsy, give us something.
945, 946.
All right, so it looked like it wanted to try doing a little bear flag right there, but these bulls are trying to step in. There's the bear stepping in hard again.
Hey, how about can you give us up in the range, please?
Yep.
It's such a big one.
The low of the range is down there at 904.50.
Yeah.
High of that same range, 989.75. 989.75.
Thank you.
All right, we just broke out the range right there. Even though it was a tight range. Coming up to that big 25,000 number. That big 25,000 number.
The one and only.
That'd be the big number to get through. We cleared that previous candle selling wick. So that makes me slightly happy because I didn't really want to take a short into that previous candle selling wick. We're back in the 15-minute range here as well. Still got selling pressure, so. Like, your boy wants to take a trade. But I need to see some good movement.
Hey, you're not going to take a trade unless it's a good trade.
Yeah, I need to see good momentum. Good momentum.
See like an A triple fluff.
Oh, maybe we build a flag. Like right here, that'd be pretty solid. I'll potentially take that one if we get some momentum. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. I need to get a dog and call it Betsy. Come on, girl. But I want a female dog, so guess that won't work. I don't like how far we're dropping on this current candle, since I was wanting like a bull flag. Rob, I know, bro. Trust me, I know. I would have to like take like some Zyrtex or something to have a dog. I'm not willing to medicate myself every day just to have an animal. Because my girl's, oh, just take allergy meds. I'm like, no one wants to have to do that every day just to live in their own house.
Duane's wisdom of Duane. I won't take medicine every day just to have an animal. That's gonna be on the back of a shirt somewhere.
I'm just saying, like, God forbid I forget one day, and now I'm like all puffy eyed, everything like that. No, that's not enjoyable in your own house when the animal is living for free. Like, no. If the dog was paying, maybe, but
That animal living for free.
bro, I thought about getting a parrot, bro. Like, I did think about getting a parrot or something.
Parrots are cool, but the only thing is they are loud. So it's like people don't realize how loud they can be. But it also depends on the ones you get. So
I'll put it right outside. A macaw? A macaw? My bad. Your boy's bored right now with how this market's moving.
There was a house that was like probably like 50 yards down the street, and it had a bird they would put on the porch, and everybody could hear it in their house. I mean, like inside their house.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I mean, it get loud.
We're right here at this pivot once again.
I had to plug something in. What did I miss?
It's horrible to say, but dogs are like cigarettes. They might not be great for you, but I couldn't live without them. I feel that, bro. I feel that. Coming right back down to the middle of this 15-minute range. I'm honestly not feeling the market today once again. Past 3 days, the market has been complete trash. Because we're real close to the middle of this 15-minute range. The 21 EMA's right there at there we go, tapping it in the middle of the 15-minute range as well. Somewhere where we don't diddle. Because if you diddle in the middle of the 15-minute range, you're going to get chopped up.
We got 8 minutes or so, a little bit over before 10 o'clock. Maybe that'll put us in a new area, get us moving again.
Hopefully. Starting to get that little buying wick on that 5-minute. It's a little wick, so let's see how much buying pressure truly steps in. Let me get me another yellow line. Just for giggles. He's
doing the chicken beak flag again. It's like wherever it goes, he's ready.
Yep. People are waiting for the 10 a.m. candle. BP, if that's what they're waiting for, I guess, do we have news at 10 or something? Because
tell BP I say what's up.
he can hear you.
Well, I know, but it's better if you tell him.
It's better that you just speak to the man himself.
Well, why is that man himself not on the call?
Maybe he may be in bed with his girl laying up. He didn't want to like talk too loud, wake her up.
Okay,
I can't tell you why.
we don't need to bring kink in here. I'm just saying it's like it'd be good.
We're sitting right here in the middle of this range, so we got that selling wick on this 2-minute candle. But since we're so close to the middle of this 15-minute range, I ain't trusting nothing. No.
You're on fire today, dude.
I got some extra sleep last night, so that's probably why.
I know you actually like slept more than 2 hours in a night. It's like you're ready to jump off the roof and start.
Crazy. Yeah, so like this week.
Oh, there he is.
Mr. Mitch, that's Mitch. That's not BP, that's Mitch.
Well, I know, but he's still here, isn't he?
What's happening?
Steve feeling feisty today. Steve wants to fight today.
No, I don't want to fight.
How's everybody doing?
Another day in paradise, man. How about yourself?
Doing pretty good. Just
If
up
you're waking
7 so far, so we'll take it.
You're waking up. Wake up the damn market too, please.
I did get I had a crazy trade just a few minutes ago. It went up. I should have just taken the profit. It was like 385, and then dropped back down 610. I was like, dang. But then it pulled back up, so I ended up being positive 102 from where I started. And I was like, all right, we're just gonna chill out.
Jump out of that one.
We came down and touched my yellow line with no follow through. Your boy would like to see some follow through.
See, that's what I was waiting for.
BP said, "What's up, Steve?" BP, I actually woke up late too. I did not get out of my bed till like 8:55 today.
Bro, I'm still in my bed.
Hey, you don't have to brag, all right? You don't have to brag, sir.
I have a bed. My bed is in my house. That's as good as I could do.
So your bed to be.
All right.
Yeah, we're sitting right here, pretty close to the dead center of the middle of this 15-minute range. So let me put my hand behind my head because I cannot trade the middle of this 15-minute range.
And we got 4 minutes until 10 o'clock. Did BB say there was something at 10?
He said that FEG is being formed, and people are waiting to see if it rejects.
BP, hop in the call, bro.
We're below my yellow line. We're sitting right at my yellow line right now, man. Took a stab. I thought we were going to push down, but luckily I got my stop loss set, so I'm not worried about those. I barely crawled out of bed. That's awesome. Right back, pretty much in the center of this 15-minute range.
What's going on today, man? Damn.
Hey, there's Mr. G.
Damn, I ain't even taken trade yet.
You know, we should have just gotten up at like 7 and just followed that massive downtrend down.
Yeah, but
You know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? You know what's crazy?
What?
I
You're
was
what?
looking at I was looking at it. I'm like, damn. Should I just jump in? I was like,
we're not talking about that right now, but I'm streaming. We'll talk when I come down.
I chose to follow the rules today.
Hey,
Dwayne, I'll
good.
talk when we come down.
Yeah, last night.
I chose to follow the rules today, man. But I called it though. I said the market was gonna go down. I called it.
Yeah, last night I had a trade running on my. Forgot that I running. You know, I woke up in the middle of the night, checked my phone. I was like, oh, I'm up $1,900. I'm like, I'm gonna just take that out for the peace of mind. I'm like, Sims. I was like, all right, cool. At first, I thought it was like my take profit account. I was like, wait, I'm over the 50% consistency. I was like, crap. But then I looked, I'm like, oh, it's just my sim. Okay.
Coming back up to this pivot point here. Real tight range, real tight range. Hopefully 10 o'clock does something for us here, because if this is what we're going to be watching, I'm going to probably step back and just start spinning in a circle for more entertainment.
You're going to put a merry-go-round on the inside of your room.
Through the pivot. Let's see if we use this pivot as support to take us higher.
Wait, are we actually moving somewhere? Hold on.
Barely. We haven't moved that far, so don't get too excited.
Okay, we got 30 seconds until 10 o'clock.
Yo, G, your D-Money thing is slightly behind.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
I have a feeling we may possibly push up, possibly. I don't even know. I can't even tell you what we're getting ready to do. The market's too slow for me to even read it. Like,
I want this to just continue to move up to retrace, but then again, this could be like the most slowest ever bear flag.
Okay, we got 10 o'clock.
there's 10.
Let me see some. Let me see some.
Look at that wick that just put it on that candle. That's crazy. Okay. Oh, Nelly's.
Jerry. What?
Pivot's holding us right now. Pivot's holding us right now.
Indiana.
Sorry to hear that, S-Dub.
Huh?
He said gold did him dirty this morning.
My room.
Well, okay, that gold didn't do you dirty. You did yourself dirty, sir. And that tends to happen when we go against our rules. It normally doesn't work the way we expect it to. Yeah, like this. I don't even know what to say. And it's very rare for me not to know what to say. But this market is so slow right now. Esther, if you want to control your greed, just do this. You make sure you want the money more in your account, in your personal bank account, than the prop accounts on your computer. Once you realize if you really want it in your account, it'll take that greed off. You'll be okay making a couple $100 a day, coming back the next day.
That's wise.
We're sitting right in the middle of the 15-minute range. Just patiently waiting at this point.
This is gonna get good in a minute.
Close out, quick 170 there. Not risking anything. I was trying to move my stop loss. I couldn't move it higher up. So that's why I just closed it. That's why I just closed it. I'm like, nope. Not today, Satan. Not today.
It wouldn't let you move your stop loss?
No, because I accidentally clicked like the pivot point.
Oh.
So it did that. I'm like, oh no, let me just close. Let me just lock something in this trash market right now.
Yeah. Because it's like if you would take it out. It's like, whoop.
All right. Rotated. Now when I rotate, I had to rotate on 2 charts instead of just 1 now. So that way, if I want to put a target on my 2-minute chart, it shows on my Rinkos as well. So. And guess what? We're right back in the middle of 15-minute range. Hands off. Let me just take a drink. Let me have a drink. Let me pop a bottle for the boys right now. You know what I'm saying? We got a lot of selling pressure right now, but we need to have some continuation. For everyone on YouTube, make sure you guys are liking the stream for your boy. I appreciate it. It helps the algorithm know that you guys are actually gaining value from these streams. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button to help your dog out. Appreciate y'all. For my market makers, how would you guys feel if we start doing a town hall meeting for the entire community once a month, where people can come ask questions, speak on how they've been performing, and get questions answered, everything like that?
That'd be awesome.
Let's do it.
Engagement is always good. Cross-pollination is always good.
Because then that just helps strengthen the community and everybody feel more connected.
Yeah, because there's certain people that are not here all the time, or scheduling, but they're
Yeah.
doing their thing, so it draws them together. People like myself that are really shy, that don't talk a lot, I can actually get my thoughts in.
Don't talk a lot, bro. What you mean?
Yeah, if you didn't know, Steve is very shy, folks.
Must be April Fool's Day, because that's crazy.
He's getting us prepared for April Fool's Day. But okay, yeah, I'll look to see you, and by tomorrow I'll let you guys know what day I'm looking at doing that. Because it'll probably be like a 7 p.m. stream or something like that on the Zoom call. It'll only be for the members of the community.
Let's do Wednesdays.
Wednesdays? Well, people have church on Wednesdays.
For youth group?
People go to church on Wednesdays. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was thinking more like maybe like a Tuesday or a Thursday at 7 p.m.
Thursday works.
Yeah, Ulay, the markets are trash once again. 3 days in a row. What's up, Tim? Good morning to you. Smooth, no, it'll only be for the members of the Legacy Wealth Society. And we would be on our private Zoom for the community.
Yeah, I just feel like we're building a bunch of structure down here. So take us somewhere. I don't know where, but take us somewhere.
Hey, I put 170 in a funded account. So I'm very just chilling at this point. So, because unless we get some crazy little pop, this price action is nothing you should trade.
I was used today at counted trade day with my 107, my eval.
Because I may do that during stream actually. I may just start getting some Apex accounts. Get some more Apex accounts and just trade those tomorrow if it's moving like this. I'm not willing to risk fundeds. You gotta know when the conditions are right for you. ES is. I don't know why I thought he said A. No, he said ES. That's hilarious. My mind is all over the place with this chop. I used to want to be a minister. It's cool you make that and take that into consideration. Well, I do because I'm a pastor's kid, bro. And a lot of people on these streams believe in God. And I show respect. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Amen.
hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Glory to God.
Jehovah.
Hallelujah.
Jehovah
Hallelujah.
Rapha.
God is good all the time.
So since I'm a man of the people, I want to make sure I'm
I
not.
haven't done the gibberish thing yet. That gibberish talk yet.
Since I'm a man of the people, I try making sure I'm not infringing on other people's schedules. You know what I'm saying? Because it's hard to compete with God. All right? I ain't trying to compete with them.
Don't make no mistake about it. There ain't no competition you want.
So that's why I think, okay, I'll skip Wednesdays. Tuesdays or Thursdays will probably work better. And we are legit going sideways in this 15-minute range. Crazy. What's up, Smurf?
I mean, hey, just look at the last guy that tried to compete with God. He was wrestling with God and got his hip busted.
It happens. It happens. All right, I feel like this would be a good time for all of us to take a step back from our desk to stretch a little bit. All right, let's take a step back, and we're going to stretch a little bit. Oh yeah.
I've been horizontal this whole time.
Well, stretch your toes then.
Yeah, let's get some stretches in, boys.
They're stretching.
Let's start. Let's warm up these shoulders.
Hey, we got warm-up class for all trading.
The things we do to not click the button and shop. Today, tomorrow, and Friday will be... I rebuke that, S-Dub. They will not be red days.
Speak life. Speak life.
They're going to be green. Maybe we build a little flag. Y'all know. When there's no movement, it's hard. It's hard. Shorting significant bounces are the moves for me. Well, do whatever works for you, bro. But right now, there's no big... We're still in the middle of this range. Like, if you're trading this, more power to you. I know myself. I'll get chopped up. Like, your boy will get chopped up trying to trade in the middle of the 15-minute range. Still learning bullish, believe it or not. Oh, Lean, you're learning bullish. Where do you see bullish right now, sir? I would not say this is leaning bullish whatsoever. This is leading nothing right now. Travis, you're a smart man, bro.
Lean with me, rock with me, hit them fuck, don't stop with me. Nay. Anyways.
All right, we're starting to come trending down here to the low of this 15-minute range. I would like to see a flag, personally. All right, there's the 15-minute range break right there to the low side. You see that little stretch? I knew something would work. 861.50 will be my target that I'll be shooting for. That's 50% from the low of the 15-minute range. Have a good one, Ule. Glad you made your $300. Yeah, but not right now when I come downstairs. How I say that when I come downstairs and he still trying to tell me? Let's see if we pop back into that range real quick and then come down. I would like us to tap the low this 15-minute range. There we go. Perfect. That's what I wanted to see right there. Now let's see if we can continue down. Come on, Betsy. Looks like we're building some structure for a potential bear flag here. I do not want this. All right, we just went higher than the previous candle there, so never mind. That's what I did not want to happen. Happened so quick I couldn't even say it.
Y'all know how I did that accidental trading that one time, you know?
Oh boy, he purposely took a trade, but he's saying it was an accident.
In my screen, and I double tapped my buy thing.
That happened to me before. I thought I was on close, and I hit close, and I was on sell by accident, and I ended up in a trade.
Man, that was the quickest $200 I've ever made right there. It was like 50, 200. I'm like, nope. Get me out. Are we up 307?
I'm waiting for the flush S-dub. I'm waiting for it.
I think Dwayne's waking up finally. He's going to get us through this. Come on, baby. Tell us where it's going.
Coming down to my yellow line.
I was trying to get me to pass this eval for real.
Come on, we're right there on my yellow line on the 2-minute. Want to see the follow through here. Want to see the follow through. No follow through. So we're still waiting.
Anticipating.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Bessie. Well, the baseline's locking in. It has to happen now.
Well, we still have selling pressure, so that's a good sign. But we need momentum for the selling pressure.
No kidding. Gotta like blow out that opening range like something fierce.
Come on, Bessie. Come on, girl. I may just put an order in. And if it tags me in, we'll take it. If it doesn't, I'm not waiting to pull the trigger.
Well, the only thing is with that is you don't have the momentum quotient.
But if I get tagged in, then we would have the momentum.
Possibly. You could be right.
We have 18 seconds left on this candle. I'll wait till the new candle is printed. Made 100. I moved my stop loss way too tight there. Made $100. I moved my stop loss to put me in profit at least.
Hey, you did good. I got 105 out of that one myself, but that was on one contract.
And honestly, I'm not even gonna try again on this funded. Let me just rotate. Market's not moving well enough for me to want to risk my luck. So today's one of those days when any small base hit, you take it and you don't trade it again. Just so that way you lock something in it, lock a profit in, and you're not thinking about it. Look at that buying wick on the 5-minute candle there. Yeah, this thing wants to do something. It's definitely playing hard to get, bro.
All right, I'm out of bed, guys. I'm out of bed.
I am trading evals now, so don't follow these trades. That's my one warning for y'all. We're still below this 15-minute range. Let's see. Where's that previous candle wick? We're real close. So if we get through 88725, I'll take another short. But we gotta have some momentum there. Just trailing this down there. We'll take that. And then it does. Hit my... I trailed it too tight. Hit that first target I called out earlier. And we're still dropping now. Alrighty.
I was a solid 1097 on the day.
Let's go, Mitch. I think I'm trailing it way too tight. My second target is down here at 818. 818.
$12.20 on that trade, baby.
Hey, let's get it. Let's get it, boys. Let's get it.
Let's go, G.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I saw that momentum. And I'm done for the day.
Awesome.
That's it.
That boy good.
That boy good.
That boy good.
I didn't get it from. D-Money ain't even said nothing yet. Well, I mean, he did get some before, but shit, I took it lower. I jumped in like around 865, 860.
Mm-hmm.
Around there, and then it just dropped.
Travis made 400. Smooth made 210. Boys are printing today. Y'all printing even in choppy conditions.
Let's go.
Patience definitely pays.
Yes, sir.
Took about an hour.
Yeah, I did. But I'm done for the day. That's it for me. Hey, man. 1220, the bills away. For 120 a day, 1220 a day. Well, I tried. As long as it's a green day, man. That's all that matters.
Yep.
Ooh, and it's still going down. Oh,
We just went through my second target there.
still going down.
I'll be targeting that pivot point at this point.
Duane would like to see a flag.
So this should be the pop up here. Izzy made 860. Awesome. We're sitting right above my second target here. Right above my second target. We already went through it. We're back above it.
I feel like the Bulls are going to push this up a little bit. Probably
I can see that.
850s, 855, 860 area. Let's see. It's in the 30s. Oh,
5 seconds on the candles.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you. I was trying to move the stop loss because it's going to pop up a little bit to give us that structure.
Dude, it chased you. I saw it out of the corner of my eye.
I was trying to move it. I couldn't move it fast enough.
It was like that vintage game like Centipede or something. It came to attack your mouse.
Well, let me turn that off. Took some off right there. I still feel like we're building another bear flag. But in the interim, since I know the market has to push slightly up before the flag can drop back down, that's why I took the long. Cleaned up like $200 or something like that right there. I do not recommend trading the way I trade, but when it comes to these evals, like trading the structure of the flag being built instead of waiting for the flag to break. Left one runner, took profits. I'm done. Gonna get back in bed. Lightweight, baby. Let's go, S-Up. Good job, bro.
You're funny, Duane. Duane said lightweight, baby.
Lightweight, baby.
Well, he said lightweight baby in the chat, so I just said it out loud. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, heck yeah, let's go.
I thought you were talking all kinds of smack.
Well, I said, damn, Duane.
He's just straight spitting. He's like, damn.
And I was gonna say, Duane be like, it be your own people. It be your own people. Oh, okay. I said the 850 area is gonna go up there.
Yeah, my first target is 861.
Okay.
Well, 850, 850-ish.
I said if it goes above there, I think it should continue moving up towards the 860s, 870s area. I hope. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Oh, there she goes. You gonna go up some more? Oh, oh.
Cleaned up another $200 right there.
Base hits, baby. Base hits, baby.
Rob, if you didn't take a trade, that's good. You didn't lose any money, bro. Have a good day, bro. So we pushed through that first target. Selling pressure started right after we cleared it. Let's see if this is where we're going to start coming back down. All right, so put this account back in the green. So solid. We'll take that.
Nice work. Nice work.
Let me switch over to that one. So even if you're still winning a trade, would this push count as trailing drawdown? You'll still have the same amount. So if you have an end of day trailing drawdown, your drawdown for the days is exactly the same. So if you only have a $2,000 trailing drawdown, end of day, you can only lose $2,000. Have a good one, S-Dub. Feel like this wants to give us the bear flag right here. We got a minute left on this candle.
Yeah, hey, I'm gonna just pick you. I'm gonna give you my routing number and just give it to her.
30-minute candle. You want to see this if you're there. You want to see
You know what? Yeah, call her.
So if you missed that trade setup there, guys, that was definitely the best trade setup because the opening range setup breakout was a little wonky today, right? We had 10-point trade and you got the drop. This is by far the best trade so far, right? You had a breakout. Finally, after all that chop downside, was targeting shorts below 886. Had about a 72-point sell-off.
I don't know how I closed at 560. It slipped another $300.
$300.
But this is an eval, so I'm not stressing this. No, what am I doing? Click right there. Perfect. We got 35 seconds. 30 seconds now. 30 seconds now for the next candle. Yeah, we'll take it. We'll take that BP. I don't care if we pump or dump. You know what I'm saying? As long as it's moving somewhat, we could take some trades. We got that buying wick on that 5-minute candle and the 2-minute.
Duane, at like 2 o'clock, you're going to be eating alone somewhere, so you won't trade, right?
I probably won't be eating at 2 o'clock. I'll probably be like outside with the kids.
Come on, don't ruin my joke, man.
Never that. Never that. Like super tight right here. Super tight. It's only 10:42. That's crazy. Man, today's session, because it's been so slow, it's like dragging.
You're having fun with it, though. I see you're working it out.
Oh, 100% having fun. Let's give me the full flushy flush.
I'm in that trade too, Duane, but on my sim.
Down there, guys.
Just took another $300 off.
It's still dropping. That thing's still going down. Well, a little bit.
Still going down.
A little bit. I should have never said something. Oh, wait.
Now I'm waiting for my yellow line tap for me to re-enter here.
All right. If I get out this trade, that'll be okay. 520. I'll take that. 520.
I got this account back to green. This is an eval, so.
Hey, a win is a win. So nice work. Keep it up. Let's go.
It's only revenge trading if you lose.
Nice.
Well, we're not trying to lose here. We're not trying to lose here.
waiting for this thing to take out that.
I feel like this is a bear flag, but we need more selling pressure.
That's what I'm waiting for.
I feel like we're just building a lot of structure on this flag, and then we're going to dump. But we got to get that full flush. Oh.
We almost touched the wall, ladies and gentlemen. This is
Actually, I did touch the wall. I did a spider crawl up it.
That's impressive.
I feel like we're just in like this weird spot right now where the market doesn't know what it wants to do.
Getting ready to waterfall for you.
Waterfall, waterfall.
He is on the move. Wayne is on the move. He's mobilized.
All kinds of stuff. This is an action show for Duane.
No, I just remembered my backpack was up here. I remember I had some. Oh yeah, we still got more in there. You know what I'm saying? Like, always double check your envelope.
You got some money on the table.
He's giving us cash. Cash for chaos.
I'll take a tip.
$20. This is how much you made in the last trade. Okay, now give the rest to Lucid for their costs.
No, I was just counting. $2,000 on the table.
That's legendary.
No, I was like, I thought I had like extra because my girl asked me this morning, do I had cash? I'm like, I think so. It's somewhere. I think it's in my backpack, and I have not. I realized my backpack was upstairs, literally just sitting here just now. So. Is this going to be the break finally?
Let's see what we got up here. All right. Here's a bag of quarters. I'm going to count them right now.
So I'm in this trade, but it's still blue. I'm confused. Only one contract got filled?
That is weird.
Yeah. I was in the trade, but the line was still blue.
Did you say only one contract filled? Is that why?
Yeah, I think only one contract was filled.
Five seconds on the candle.
Thank you, Steve. I cut that. Yeah, this is like a big old bear flag, but it hasn't broken yet. Yep. Stop trading, Travis, or just trade evals. Don't trade fundeds. And then this is going to be the flag break right here. Let's see.
I mean, we might as well be chopping onions at this point.
You ain't lying. You ain't lying. Yeah, I'll probably stop trading for the day as well, because right now it built a bear flag, but it's not breaking yet. So
It's testing your metal, because it's like, what are you gonna do? It's like you like the high time frame flags. It's on the 30 from crying out loud. You love it.
it's on the 30. Let's take a look. That was a nice bear flag on the 30 right there, but
Yeah,
we want the flag on this one.
I know. It's also on the 15.
That it is.
Oh, trading in a box. What we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line on the top and the bottom of the range, and you gotta snipe like crazy.
BP, yeah, I'm not going to trade FOMC.
BP and the FOMC.
I'm going to take my wins and my fundeds and run. Because even when I lose in an eval, I still feel like I lost. Even if I'm up in fundeds. I'll be getting off at 11 here. I'll actually jump off at 11. Because there's honestly nothing else to sit around and do here. Markets right now consolidating on this flag, but until it breaks the structure, there's nothing to do. And we've been watching this market go slow all day, so. Oh, you got that, BP. That's light work for you, bro. You got it, bro. You got it. Why are you doing pro accounts, bro? Why don't you do just Lucid or like Tradeify? Because Tradeify has the daily payouts now as well. Just saying. Their dashboard's way better than TPT. So up here to that first target. Tonight we got the Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern going to 10:30 p.m. Eastern. Been jumping off the stream 30 minutes early just so I could get some more sleep. But tomorrow there will be no Traders Hangout tomorrow night. No Traders Hangout Thursday night. I got a hot date going to a John Legend concert. So there will be no Traders Hangout tomorrow night.
Hey, let's go. Let's go.
So wait, are you gonna like live stream a picture?
No, there will be no stream tomorrow night. Tomorrow morning stream like usual. Tomorrow night no stream.
I hope you have a great time at the concert. That'll be dope.
What does he sing?
He's gonna treat us like we're ordinary people.
All right.
All of me. I can't sing, so that's all you get from me. That's all you get from me. What's up, Yaz?
That was good.
No, that was horrible, Mitch. Don't try hyping your boy up. That was horrible.
You did a good job.
My brother sings, so I trust me. I know I cannot sing whatsoever.
All right. If you can get your voice to reach a tune that's not your normal talking voice, that's called singing. Some rhythm to it. That's singing. May not sound good.
I can see if I can sneak something in to stream the concert. I'll be holding it like this, like hopefully they're not watching me.
Nah, just post your highlights of it on your Instagram story. We'll check it out.
Yeah.
Have a good one, Smooth.
Man, that thing went right back up.
Yeah, keep base hitting it to fix that consistency. At this point, we'll definitely climb back up to that low of the 15. Probably build out a little bull flag here and then keep pushing higher. Quick little 240 there. Oops. My finger slipped. There's the low of the 15-minute range.
Crazy how that happens, eh?
It's officially 11:01 as well, so yeah, we'll take it. We will definitely take it for the day. Well, market makers and YouTube, your boy's getting off. It's been a pleasure today. I will catch y'all tomorrow. Well, tonight for the Traders Hangout, and for the market makers that aren't on tonight's Traders Hangout, I will see you guys tomorrow morning.
Have a good one, Duane. Good job, everybody.
Have a good one, guys. Be blessed and stay safe in the markets.
Likewise. Peace out.
Have a good one, everybody.
All right, guys. BP, don't do anything too crazy today, fam. Have a good one, bro.